Alright y'all, welcome to Not So Simple Garage. If you like this channel or any of the content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I post a video and you can get every update on this channel. I would really appreciate it. Leave a like if you like the video and comment anything you'd like. So thanks for watching and let's get to the video. Ooh, you know what it is? Not looking like a bum no more, looking kind of fresh. What's good? Got the nice kicks on, just, I don't know, a little dressed up, whatever. Anyways, I'm just looking at my car here, admiring it. Dude, I'm so blown away by this car right now. I love it. It looks so good. I think at this point, there is actually nothing wrong with this car other than the fact that it does not have an STI engine, which I will fix that one day. It has a 2005 or so Subaru Forester XT engine. I stripped the block down, took all my STI parts, put it on that block, dropped it in the car, and it runs almost flawlessly. So, kind of is what it is. That costs money to fix that I don't need to spend on that right now until I blow this one up, which it'll happen eventually. And then I think I'm gonna wire up this boost gauge so I can have lights in it. Look at that Momo steering wheel. Look at that. Ooh, I can't wait to drive this car with that. Yeah, I got it all nice and cleaned up. I need to get a steering wheel cover for it, and then it's gonna look like it's in pretty damn good shape. So, God, I had an 02 WRX, that was my first ever Subi, and this car is just so reminiscent of that. Like the first WRX I had was the silver paint, just like this. I did a lot of the same things that I'm doing to this car. This car looks very close to how I wanted my WRX to look. I even had the STI wing on my WRX, everything. So like, I'm getting back to where my first car was. And it's just like, after putting this Momo steering wheel in, because this is the exact wheel that was in my WRX, it's just, oh man, it brings me back. So I'm sure you guys can relate somehow. Once I figure out how to wire this in, I'll let you guys know how I did it, and then we'll see it light up for the first time. I have, I think, blue LEDs, so I'll probably just throw some of those in, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, here we go. Look at that little puppy. What are you doing, you handsome boy? Look at you, the handsome boy. Yeah, my little shop pup. Yes, sir. You're such a good boy. There's two wires that come from the boost gauge here, and they need to be wired in. So I'm probably gonna pop this panel down, and then we might tee into the stereo harness or somewhere around there. So I will go ahead and get that figured out, and I'll go from there and give you guys an update when I get that done. All right, y'all, so you can see here, we'll turn the key on, boom, boost gauge lights up, so that's good. The boost gauge I had in my 02 WRX, you were able to swap out the LED, which you could change the color of it. That is not the case with this one. I took this one out of its little holder here, and nope, it's gonna stay white, which kind of sucks. It is what it is. I like the factory boost gauge, I really do, but I would like it to be red, just like my dash lights, make it blend in and not stand out. It's just gonna look weird. So anyways, let's get to how I did it. So for your harness, if you got one secondhand, you're gonna have your yellow wire and your black wire. Okay, now this is confusing because yellow is actually ground. If we trace that blue wire, we tapped the blue wire into the black wire, okay? So that's ground. So yellow is ground and black is power. So we tap that into the red. So now we're just gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, shorten the wire up, get everything connected for the final time. And then we are ready to throw everything back together. And I'll show you what it looks like when I have the wiring all completely done and zip tied and looking neat. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so we got the wires all ran down nice and neat. Here they come through the side here. Got them all heat shrinked and everything to my harness. So now this is all good, ready to go back in. I fixed that deck, so this should just go in nice and easy. Let's see. this can all sit back here like so. All right, so yeah, that's all nice and cleaned up. Got these plugs here, got the plug for my stereo right here, got this thing, whatever that is. So yeah, let's go ahead and put everything back together and see how the boost gauge works and the compartment under the stereo. Here we go. All right, y'all, so we got it all put back together, looking perfect again. This functions perfectly now. Super stoked about that. Just those stupid little things. So you can see we turn the car on, boost gauge lights come on. The actual needle does work up and down, so we're good there. Radio comes on, HVAC controls, everything's working again. So yeah, I would start it up, but people are sleeping, so I'm not gonna be that asshole. But yeah, so yeah, that's how you wire in a factory boost gauge. Super simple. If you're having trouble, just look up wiring diagrams online or just go do exactly what I did. It's really easy to figure out. So alrighty, well that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see all future updates on this channel. And we'll see you in the next one.